Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, Microsoft Excel opening a blank document. Type Excel in Windows search bar. Click File, Options. Click Advanced. Uncheck Ignore other applications that use dynamic data exchange. Second method is click File, Options. Click Advanced. Check Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. If same error still exists, third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Uninstall a program. Select Microsoft Office. Click Change. Check Quick Repair, click Repair. Click Repair. Click Close. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.